At SafetyQuip, we supply workplace safety equipment to industry. Many of our clients need to access confined spaces in the course of their work, maybe a below ground pit or a tank that may have a manhole opening that they need to descend into to work. The equipment here we have available separately on our website. Many clients may not know though that it comes as a kit as well. This equipment is the Protecta brand made by the manufacturer 3M. This is a tripod. This is what we call a Type 3 retrieval fall arrestor. This is a spreader bar, which is an optional item in the kit. And this is a harness. All of this equipment allows a person to descend into a confined space through maybe a manhole. And it's great if the person is accessing the confined space maybe by way of a ladder under their own steam. Now, one of the key items, the retrieval fall arrestor, allows the person to descend without tripping over the cable, and then it'll retract back up into the housing. But if they fall off the ladder, say, while they're descending, it'll lock on and arrest the fall. Then if the person has, say, banged their head and they're unconscious and needs to be retrieved out of the confined space, the person above, up on top, will press a button on this device, deploy the handle and start to wind up the cable to retrieve the person out of the confined space. The Protecta Confined Space Entry Kit. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information. Let us know if you'd like a SafetyQuip staff member to come out to your workplace to talk further about this equipment.